wrecked him, damn near killed him, right? I mean, it's ridiculous.
Anyway, hey guys.
What's up?
Hey, so Aaron's got a special announcement. We came all the way to Wingman Garage.
All the way
Aaron,
down.
Why'd you call us here?
Okay, the hunt is live. You can now officially opt into it. It's $25 on the Wingman site. Go to wingmangarage.com, community car build tab, scroll down, put in your information, spend $25. Everybody on Sunday, August 17th at 9 a.m. gets the same email to start the hunt. The hunt starts in your inbox. And then, if you can decipher all the clues and find the keys to Sarge, he will be yours.
So, first person to solve all the clues and find the keys.
Solve all the clues, or figure out the clues, or figure out the clue. But I can't tell you exactly what it is.
Okay. And $25, that's it?
$25.
Okay. So, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. $25 could put Sarge in your driveway. And you know what? You know what we've done to it. You've seen us work on
lift kit, lights,
seen
audio,
all the videos.
engine work. I mean, everything.
Go to wingmangarage.com under the community car tab and enter. What are you waiting for?
Easy peasy.
Go now.
$25.
Let's go.